test tube. Okay, big test tube, and here we have added few pieces of zinc granules. Okay, then this one the delivery tube. Okay, and the reaction have completed at 2 to 3 minutes. So now we'll see that some gas that is evolved from the test tube. Okay, and the gas is your hydrogen gas. Zinc granules along with the hydrochloric acid. Okay, and here we found that pop sound produced with a blue flame. Okay, now we'll see the feedback from the student side. Okay, so share the conclusion from this experiment.
When zinc granule is reacted with hydrochloric acid, it produces zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas with the pop sound, which we just saw by blunting near the matchstick. That is the formation of zinc chloride and hydrogen gas.
So how about the experiment, student? Are you enjoying or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and seeing here also bubble form. Okay, this one is the hydrogen gas. Okay, that means from this experiment we concluded that active metal reacts with hydrochloric acid or any other acid to form salt along with the hydrogen gas. And this one is your experiment. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.